I'm on the Carnival Panorama. I'm going to do a full tour. This is Jason here with cruisesit.com. I hope you enjoy the tour. We got on the ship in Long Beach, California. It was a fun 7 days in Mexico. Let's go ahead and get started with the tour. By the way, to win a free cruise, make sure you tune in to our next premiere. To be able to watch the premiere, you'll need to subscribe and ring that bell to be notified. I'll provide you more information at the end of the video. A deck above the main pool, there are some sun loungers. There's also some comfortable seating. People like to sit here when they're watching movies under the stars, events. It's pretty cool and comfortable, and it has a good view of the Seaside Theater here. So let's head on down to the main pool. Here at the main pool, there are a couple of bars. One of the bars is the Red Frog Rum Bar. What's pretty cool about this bar is that they have their own craft beer. On the way to the other side of the pool is the Towel Hut, and all the way on the other side of the pool is the other bar, the Blue Iguana Tequila Bar. Both bars have plenty of stools and tables to enjoy your drink. And all the way over to the right-hand side are tables and chairs. Right here is the main pool, so on either side of the main pool are a couple of huts. If you have children and they're not able to swim too well, then life jackets are available. Underneath the big screen there is where the DJ sets up. Music is always nice by the pool. If while you're hanging out at the pool, you're hungry, you can head on over to Guy's Burger Joint. Their burgers are delicious, they're complimentary. You can order in many different ways. After you get your burger, you can head right on over to the toppings bar and pile up as many toppings as you like, and then pile on your choice of condiments. If you'd like a bite of Mexican food, on the other side is the Blue Iguana Cantina. So try their tacos, burritos, maybe get a taco salad, then head on over to the salsa bar. Take your pick of hot sauces, there are many. In the corner here is a drink station, so in the morning if you want to grab yourself a coffee or a lemonade, then you can do that in this corner. Let's take a look at the water slides. So this is the water park. The water park has two humongous water slides. It also has a couple of smaller slides for children. On one of the big water slides, you're gonna have to grab an inner tube from this corner. On the other one, you just jump right in and go on down. So if we look down here and all the way toward the front of the ship, we're gonna see the Serenity adult area. This part of the ship is extremely comfortable. There are fluffy loungers, places for two. There is a hot tub on both sides of the ship. Just take a look at the views that you get from the hot tubs. Right across from the hot tub, check this out. Over here is a salad bar. Salad is an excellent snack between meals, and you can order it however you like it. There's a bar right here toward the front. We came up here and got some drinks, and then we headed all the way to the front of the ship right here and relaxed on a sea day because it just had such a really good view of the front. It's a nice place to chill. Below us is the Cloud9 Spa and Fitness Center. So here you're gonna find the thermal suites, the gym, the spa. You can come on in and relax in the thermal suites for free if you booked a spa suite, or you can get a day or a weekly pass. So here is the thalassotherapy pool, heated chairs. There are steam rooms. You're also gonna find a sauna and an infrared sauna. After hanging out here for an entire day, you're gonna feel like a whole new person, I promise you. So over here, we're also gonna find the gym, which is equipped with free weights, machines, Stairmasters. There are also a full list of services that they provide, like Pilates and yoga. So on your first day of the cruise, you can take a full tour. Right around the corner from the gym is the salon. So ladies, if you'd like to get a pedicure or manicure, or gentlemen, if you'd like to get a haircut, then this is the spot. Here at Midship is the Sports Square. There are plenty of activities and lots of fun things to do here. You can play pool, miniature golf, you can jump up on the ropes course. You can also come on in and hang out in the clubhouse. The clubhouse is fun. There are ping pong tables. There is also a soccer pool table. I don't know if you'd call it a table, but it's soccer pool, I guess. There are foosball tables and much more. If we head up a deck, this is also where you're going to get onto the Sky Ride. The Sky Ride is fun. It's a little scary. You're gonna pedal all the way around the back of the ship. It's pretty cool when you reach this area because you can see the pool. If we look down here, we can see the basketball court. Let's take a closer look at the basketball court. It's a full court, and right behind it is an outside workout area. Here is the marketplace. The marketplace is the buffet area. It's a full service buffet. Right here is the ice cream maker. Right next to that is the drink station. It's open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Now, the Panorama is extremely similar to the Vista and the Horizon. If you'd like to book either one, make sure you give me a call. Carnival Cruise Lines recommends the use of travel agents to book your cruises, especially through us, because with us, you receive an excellent discount. We've been doing this for a long time, and we're experts. And because of our volume, Carnival actually allows us to offer you their cabins at a discounted rate. When you book through us, you're still going to receive all the promotions that Carnival is offering. However, in addition, we're going to provide you with an exclusive agency discount. Our clients are always happy when they call us because saving money is fun, and that's what we do. We help you to save money. Keep in mind, these are unpublished rates. So to get these rates, you're going to have to give us a call, and I'm going to put my 1-800 number there right on the screen. So make sure you give us a call. Let's take a look at GG Asian Kitchen. This has wonderful Asian delights. It's part of the specialty dining. You can enjoy exotic dishes from places such as Singapore, Indonesia, Vietnam, and Mongolia. And then across the way is Cucina Del Capitano. That's the Italian restaurant. It's also part of the specialty dining. All the way at the back of the ship is the pool that we saw from the Sky Ride. Back here, you can head to Pizzeria Del Capitano 24 hours a day for awesome pizza. Here in the pool area, you're going to find a couple of hot tubs. There are plenty of loungers. You can also find loungers with umbrellas. If you head all the way to the back of the ship here, it is a pretty cool spot to hang out on a sea day because it has a really good view of the ocean. From back here, it's pretty cool. You can see people on the Sky Ride going by. If we go up a deck, there's comfortable seating if you want to get a good panoramic view back here. If you need a drink, you can head to Tide's Bar. It's right at the beginning of the pool area. And besides Pizzeria Del Capitano, there is another dining venue back here. It's the Seafood Shack. So if you'd like some fresh, delicious seafood, come back here and check it out. Everything is served fresh. So you might want to try one of their lobsters and shrimp. Let's head on down to deck 6 and take a look at the Lanai. Place of interest on the Lanai is Pig and Anchor. That is the barbecue place. It's open on sea days, and it's a place that you're gonna have to try out. The barbecue is delicious. Try one of their signature sauces. The Lanai is awesome. It goes all the way around the ship, so it's perfect for a stroll. If you look up, you can see the balcony cabins. The Lanai is also a nice place to relax. You'll find tables and chairs with umbrellas, loungers, attractive round love seats for two with excellent views. From here you can walk into Guy's Smokehouse and Brewery. You can access it from the Lanai. At night you can enjoy live music. Also come on in and hang out in the bar. It's more toward the front entrance. And if you'd like to take a brewery tour, it's fun. They have their own brewery. They brew their own beer. You can ask the brewmaster anything you like. Right around the corner from the Red Frog Rum Pub is the Dreams Experience. So you can come in here and ask them any questions that you like about family photos. You can also come in and check out all the photos that the photographers took of you while you were on the ship. Just put your cabin number into one of the iPads and all your photos will come up. This is Java Blue. This is where you can order a specialty coffee. You can also get a nice shake, cookies, cupcakes, some nice treats. Right next to Java Cafe is Ocean Plaza. Lots of events take place here. There are bands at night. There are entrances onto the Lanai on either side of Ocean Plaza. We're gonna head all the way to the back of the ship and check out the Havana bar. Lots of people like to play dominoes right here in the entrance. Go all the way to the bar and try one of their specialty rum drinks. How about a Cuba Libre? At night there will be bands and dancing to Latin music. There's a bar right here in the center. They also play dominoes in the front. Out back here is the Havana pool. To be able to relax in this area, you need to have booked a Havana suite. There's a hot tub on this side of the pool with beautiful views of the back of the ship, and there's a hot tub on the other side of the pool. In the center is a bar facing the pool. Now, if we go all the way to the side of the ship here in the Havana area, we'll see the verandas of the Cabana Suites. So if you like any more information about the Cabana Suites, make sure you let us know when you call. This is Alchemy Bar. It's kind of like your friendly neighborhood bar. It sits right in between a couple of dining venues, so it gets pretty busy in the evenings. If we go to the right of Alchemy Bar, we're going to go into 555 Fahrenheit. This is the signature steakhouse. It's part of the specialty dining. I'm going to place a link down below the description of the video, which will have the difference between specialty and complimentary dining and the pricing. Right across from Fahrenheit is Bonsai Teppanyaki. It's an hibachi grill, so if you like to watch the chefs cook in front of you, it's a lot of fun. And then there's Bonsai right next to it, which is a sushi bar. So if you want to dine at the bar, one of these tables, or out on the Lanai, that's available. Right next to Bonsai is the piano bar. If you have a sweet tooth, then head on over to Cherry on Top. My son loves those huge lollipops. Let's head on all the way down to the back of the ship and take a look at the Vista restaurant. Now, this is the Carnival Panorama, but this is called the Vista restaurant. It's not the Carnival Vista. This is part of the complimentary dining. It's one of the main dining rooms. It's open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You're gonna have either an early or a late dining, or you can choose my time dining and come in anytime between opening and closing. So if you have any questions about the dining, make sure you ask them when you call us, and also ask us about our rate monitoring and how you can transfer directly from the cruise line over to us if you've booked within the last 60 days. And we'll provide you with an additional discount. This is the Limelight Lounge. This is where you'll get your groove on at night and come in and listen to funny comedians during the day, and they also hold art auctions here. This is the Skybox Bar. This is the sports bar. You can also play digital poker here, which I played many times. It's fun and it works. You can sit right here at the bar and watch your game on one of the screens or grab one of these tables. This is Carnival Kitchen. This is where you can come in and learn to cook with a master chef. Let's take a look at the Panorama Casino. When we first walk in, there are a bunch of slot machines and cash machines. There's a bar right here in the center. Over to the left here are the craps, roulette, and blackjack tables. If we come all the way out of the casino, we're gonna check out the atrium. Because what's cool about the atrium is there's live music, violins at night. It's a nice soothing place to come in, relax, and have a drink. You're also gonna find the Wi-Fi hub here. You can surf the net here or on your laptop in your stateroom. Carnival Adventures, where you can book your shore excursion. And if you have any questions, you can come on over here to guest services. You can go into the Horizon restaurant from the atrium. This is another complimentary dining venue. It's part of the main dining, so the same rules apply as the Vista restaurant. This is the theater, so if you want to come in and enjoy excellent entertainment while you're going from port to port, come on into the theater. Let's check out the kids areas. There are penguins 2 to 5, stingrays 6 to 8, and sharks 9 to 11. The kids areas are a lot of fun. They keep them extremely busy. They offer all kinds of different activities throughout the cruise. A lot of kids don't even like to leave the areas, but the good thing is that for security reasons, only you can check them out, so they are extremely safe. For the other activities areas, there is O2 for older teenagers and Circle C for children that are 12 to 14. They can check themselves out with your approval. If you book a Family Harbor cabin, you have access to the Family Harbor Lounge. It's an excellent amenity because it's right around the corner from your cabin. So you can eat breakfast here, you can get some juice, grab an excellent cup of coffee, play video games, watch a movie, and hang out in the lounge. If you have kids, it's an excellent place to stay. Another fun activity for children on the Panorama is the Sky Zone. The kids enjoy tug-of-war, trampolines, all supervised by the staff. My son enjoyed it a lot. let's talk about how you can win a free cruise. When we launch a video as a premiere, we ask you to watch it with us. This means you'll be the first viewers to see it. In return for your support, we'll be doing a drawing amongst all of you. It's very easy. All you have to do is watch the video the first time it is premiered, and you can win a free cruise. To make sure you're notified, subscribe and ring that bell. Have a wonderful day and stay safe.